stop using the Plaza EA on US30 if you don't want to lose your money. All details are in this video, so let's begin. Hi traders, welcome back. I have done backtesting and in-depth analysis of Plaza EA on US30 with 1 hour time frame, and here I got these results, and these are very useless. The highest recovery factor I got is 0.22, which means this is the very bad result, because any EA or any strategy having a recovery factor of less than 2 is considered as a bad strategy or bad report. I spent a lot of time to do in-depth analysis, and here I got nothing. And also here you can see the highest profit is only $41 on a deposit of $500 with a leverage of 1000. In 1 year it made only $41. This EA is useless for US30. The owner of this boat clearly mentioned that this EA is good for only gold, but I decided to do its in-depth analysis on other than gold pairs such as US30, Euro USD, GBP USD to check how it will perform. I hope this video will save your time and money, because we spend time to save your time. So don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you very much.